Hey y'all, it's Bobby Shealy. I work with ERA Wilder in Charleston, South Carolina in the James Island office, and I am a realtor broker. I've been a realtor for 22 years. It's been very fruitful, but I just love people. I love working with people. I love houses, and being from Charleston, I just love seeing how other people in Charleston live, and it's just been a great experience. Been in the business 22 years, love my business. I've written a successful cookbook, A Taste of Living in Charleston. I love to garden. I do volunteer work for a Berkeley County Guardian Ad Litem program. I go to St. Stephen's Episcopal Church in Charleston, which is the first free church in America that I'm involved with. And I just enjoy people, and you're as young as you feel. ERA is the best thing that ever happened to me. I've only been with them 4 years, and I love it. It's like a family. We're all like a family, and I love coming into the office, and I love everybody in the office, and I love the Wilders, and I feel loved by everybody, and it's a great support system. I get offers all the time to go other places, and I tell them I have something at ERA that they can't give me. And Jennifer, Finger Krause, my broker, she's the force behind me, and she keeps me focused, and I think she's a big part of my success. Charleston has, I believe, 7.5 million visitors a year. And a lot of those visitors can't afford a hotel downtown, $400, $500, $600. And I've had guests tell me if we had to pay $500 for a hotel, we wouldn't be able to go out to all the fine restaurants we go to. It's a big market for Airbnbs. I have an Airbnb above the garage at my home in Charleston, so I understand the laws and the rules and the hoops you've got to go through to get an Airbnb. So I feel like I'm an asset in that way to clients that are looking for that type of property, because I've got all the ins and outs. I am legal. They will catch you if you're not legal, but it's a great source of passive income, and I know I can help clients greatly in that area. So it's a very lucrative business in Charleston. I'm the go-to guy for everything.